Guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install TikTok on your Android device. So if this sounds helpful to you, then watch this video till the end. And also subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button, and also turn on the notifications to never miss any upcoming videos. The first thing you need to do is open the Play Store. Now in the search bar, type in TikTok. You can also download TikTok Lite. TikTok Lite will use less storage and less data. But for now, let's download the TikTok application by hitting the install button. After the application has been downloaded and installed on your device, you can tap on open. Now from here you will be able to sign up or also log in to your account. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more content similar to this. Thank you for watching.